Hi guys, how you doing? This is Q coming to you from diygenesis, and here we are once again inside of our Navigation Pro theme from StudioPress. And so what I really wanted to demonstrate in today's tutorial, guys, is the ability to customize our homepage in any way, shape, form, or fashion that we desire. And one of the things that really makes that possible for us is the atomic blocks post and grid layout and that ability that it gives us within that plugin. So let's talk about that. So going into the back office, we're going to go under plugins here, and we'll see the installed and make sure that this atomic blocks plugin Gutenberg blocks collection is installed. It's free. Install it, make sure it's activated, and then we should be good to go. Now you'll see this once you install it and activate it. You'll see the get started, and we can go look at that really quick just to kind of take a glance, and you can kind of see the different things that it gives you as far as the abilities that it gives you right out of the box. And so this is pretty amazing, powerful things to be able to do this instantly. So then also there's also a settings, and you can even incorporate MailChimp from the API key. So that gives you a lot of power and a lot of ability. We'll actually do a tutorial later that'll talk about how to use that MailChimp API key and how you can actually go in and set that up. And that's going to be really powerful for you and for future clients. It's going to be excellent. So let's dive back into our tutorial here. So what I wanted to do is demonstrate how we can create a new page and have that new page become our home page. So we're going to go add new from under pages, and we're just simply going to make a title test. And that title is really not going to affect us at all in this, because we're actually going to hide that title later. So one of the next things we want to do is we want to go under this settings icon here. That's going to help us be able to set up our proper template that we want to have in place. So we're going to go under the page attributes here, and if this was closed and you couldn't see it, you wanted to make sure you open up page attributes. Under template, you're going to go to unbox content. Once you get to unbox content, you're set. That's good. That's exactly the template style that we want. Then the next thing is we're going to go to our Genesis settings icon, and we want to, just like I said before, we're going to hide that title because we don't want that title there. Now you see that you can hide feature image, you can hide breadcrumbs if you had breadcrumbs enabled. All of those things are available just quick and easy right inside of this. Now here's where Atomic Blocks power is going to come into effect. So now that we've gotten our settings all ready to go to receive our new home page, we're going to go under layouts, and this is under the Atomic Blocks. This is right out of the box with Atomic Blocks. So we're under the sections. So we're going to use that under sections. We're going to go under layout categories, and then we're going to select theme. And under the theme, you're going to see these themes show up. Now it's going to take a little bit to load them, and it does. And then here it is. So now we got the Navigation Pro Hero section without text. We can do the Navigation Pro Hero section here, which we already have this, so we don't want to do that one. So I'm going to just choose this one here. And instantly we have our new page. It lays it out perfectly. As you can see, this just AB advanced columns just automatically sets this up for us, and we're essentially ready to go. So now what we're going to do is we're going to hit publish. And we'll hit publish there again to make sure it's already updated. Okay, great. Now what we're going to do, we're going to go to our home page and we're going to refresh. You say, well, wait a minute, Q, what happened? Well, we have not set that page as our home page yet. That's the reason why we're not seeing it show up. So let's jump back into our back office again, and I'll show you how to actually go about setting that up. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into settings, and you're going to go under reading. You're going to click reading, and then you're going to open it up. You're going to see this, your homepage displays. So this tells you what your homepage currently is displaying. What it currently is displaying is as a static page, and then it's showing the homepage page. What we don't want it to show the homepage page, we want it to show our test page. So we'll select test, and then we'll hit save changes. And then voila, that's set and ready to go. Now when we go back to our homepage and we hit refresh, boom, there's our new homepage. Just that fast, just that easy. Instantly we have a new page. Now guys, we just scratching the surface with what we're able to do with this right now. And so I really want to delve into this more. Again, I wanted to get back to that MailChimp API and how to use that and how to set that up as well. But that will be a future tutorial. Again, guys, I hope you found value in this tutorial. And again, please make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time that we put out new content. And just please make sure you leave comments below. And if you want to follow along and move along with this particular tutorial, I'll leave a link below in the description for the Navigation Pro theme for the Genesis framework, so you guys can follow along and you can keep up with the tutorials as I go through. You can go through with me. So again, until next time, guys, thank you so much. And this again is Q coming to you from DIY Genesis.